Hello, my name is Gunjan and welcome to my channel. Well, today's recipe is rich, creamy Indian curry, prawns butter masala. This recipe traditionally itself is a keto friendly recipe, but I am going to tweak a bit so that its flavor and taste remains intact, but the carb contains goes down so that we can enjoy it without any guilt. And prawns, I don't have to say anything about it because we all know how nutritious it is. It's packed with antioxidant, zinc, selenium, good quality of omega-3 fatty acid, and it's been recommended by USDA to include shellfish like prawns once a week in our diet. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and see how I make my prawns butter masala in a keto way. If you like my channel, please do subscribe for more such recipes. So let's go to the recipe. To make prawns butter masala, so we will start off with prawns marination. For that, here I am taking 500 grams of prawns, and for marination I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Give it a good stir. Marinate this at least for 1 hour in refrigerator. For the curry, here I am roughly chopping 3 medium-sized tomato, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cloves of ginger, and 1 medium-sized onion. Now heat a pan and add in all the chopped vegetables. Eventually we are going to blend all this up, so doesn't matter how we are chopping it up. To this, I'm going to add some whole spices, in which I'm going to add 3 to 4 cloves, 1 stick of cinnamon, bay leaf, and some cardamom pods. Here I'm adding 4 to 5 dried red chili. You can adjust the chili as per your taste. Here I'm going to add half cup of water and going to cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes until it's soft and mushy. After 10 minutes, check if it is soft enough or not. If it is soft enough, just turn off the gas and allow it to cool. While this is being cooled down, here I am soaking 10 pieces of cashews. This is optional, you can replace this with cream. I didn't have cream, so I am soaking some cashews. Now on a non-stick pan, we will start cooking the prawns. For that, here I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter. And to this, I am adding marinated prawns. Cook them for about 5 to 8 minutes. And once it's cooked completely, remove it from pan and keep it aside. By this time, the curry mixture must have cooled down, so I am going to grind it along with pre-soaked cashews. And now it's the time for final step, where we are going to combine cooked prawns and curry. For that, we will start off with some butter, some red chili. This is for color. You can skip this if you don't want it. Some chopped ginger and green chili. Again, this is just for flavor. You can definitely skip this and just go ahead and combine curry and prawns. Even without this, the curry will be absolutely delicious. So you can skip this step. And then pour in the curry mixture, followed by the cooked prawns. Cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. Your prawns butter masala is ready. Enjoy this either with your keto naan or keto rice. I hope you like my recipe. Please subscribe my channel for more such recipes. Thank you.